TERRIFFIC is a practitioner-driven project. This is the reason why practitioners were involved since the inception of the project, from the beginning to its end. We have adopted then an incremental methodology from the needs analysis to the specification, where we have a validation workshop in order to let them understand what we have translated from their expression of needs. Therefore, they could evaluate and propose some improvements of the project that we have taken into account until the end of the project. And this is one of the results of the new functionalities of the project.
When we are in front of a doubtful situation, it's not possible to use a checklist and following all the items of the checklist. Then we use what we name a toolbox. And depending on the situation, depending on our evaluation of the situation, we choose in the toolbox the less bad solution. A lot of tasks, we define the task and we aggregate the task in order to define our maneuver idea.
We are here today for the final trials of Chambéry, which in fact is the final trial of a global campaign of 2 trials. We already had one 2 weeks ago in Bratislava, which was implying Czech and Slovak firefighters and police officers.
Vidíme tu aj techniku, ktorá vie pomôcť pri týchto veciach, pri týchto nahlásených incidentov a riešenia takéhoto problému.
The core of the incident management system is integrated in the van and is collecting all the data provided by the sensor, which are deployed on different vectors. Now the interesting thing is that a multitude of data are then reported back in the command and control. These are gamma sensor, beta sensor, gamma camera and augmented reality. The system is not only aggregating this data, but it's also performing some pre-processing, extracting important information for the commander to help the commander to take the right decision.
CA worked on the development of 2 technologies. The first one, a miniaturized gamma imager, by making a miniaturization of each building blocks inside of the camera and making it like twice smaller and 10 times lighter than the current generation. The second development is based on the beta contamination probe in order to work in high and fluctuating gamma backgrounds.
So we are bringing the drone to the TERRIFFIC project, and we have developed a specific interface to the various sensors from CEA and from Arktis to increase the ability of the drone and the sensors. We are also developing the interface to the control management system.
And at Nextel Robotics we focus on the autonomous functions of the robots to make them able to move in unknown territories and to explore some buildings.
And TERRIFFIC, I think, after 2 days of long tests, training, trials and so on, maybe add in our toolbox. TERRIFFIC is not able to give solution to each situation, but TERRIFFIC may be a part of a solution in numerous situations.
I'm very happy we got the opportunity to coordinate this project, the TERRIFFIC project. It has been a very interesting and challenging project, bringing together different technology into a single self-contained system, highly integrated. I think we are very proud of handing over to the European practitioner an additional tool that will hopefully, and I'm quite sure it will, give them more capability to address RN threats and disaster.